Happy Nowruz, everyone. Usually at this time of the year, the people in the Middle East, particularly the Kurdish and Iranian friends, get ready for what's called Nowruz, New Year. This year in Toronto, Canada, I have the pleasure of representing the Arya Bazaar. In this bazaar, you will meet a variety of cultural exchanges and programs, entertainment, foods, and all kinds of things that will be in the bazaar from March 15 to March 25. I will also be there with a variety of gifts for our patrons and announcements about our programs and the schedule for registration for a variety of courses that we have announced. We will also have a copy of my book for signing at the booths, and we will have a variety of health and therapeutic garments for the changing seasons, whether it's the camel socks that you need to have a pair while you work in the garden, or a pair of gloves that I have worn for the last 5 years. Very durable products. We also have a new product line for ladies and gentlemen. This is bamboo underwear products that will also be at our booth. So as you can see, we've been busy preparing for this, and there's a lot of new announcements. But today's announcement is really about you. I wanted to extend an offer to you to join us. Over 40,000 people visited the Iranian Arya New Year's celebration last 2019, the last time it was held. But this year, because of all of the things that are happening in Iran, it has a different vibe to it. There's a lot of excitement about the movement of women in Iran and all of the things that are happening in Iran. Therefore, people need to come together. Communities need to support one another, and I'm looking forward to helping you. If you're looking for a booth, please contact us. We are few booths left only, and this space is limited. But as a patron, I'd like to invite you out to come and have a taste of the Kurdish Iranian New Year's, March 15, Wednesday. It starts at 10 o'clock, 10 to 10 every single day for 5 days, and on the weekend it runs to 12 midnight. We're going to have a lot of entertainment and great venue for you. I look forward to seeing you there. I'm Arif, Gilany, and thank you for watching.